Hi William, how are you?
Hello, I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. I believe there's a great atmosphere in the team after the North London Derby victory.
Yeah, of course, we are all happy. We always want to win this game, and we did it, and so we are so happy and we are confident for this week.
Yeah, now you're facing another big challenge in the Premier League, Manchester City. Is the team seeking any kind of revenge after missing out on the Premier League title last season, losing by just 2 points to Manchester City?
Yeah, last season we didn't lose against them. I don't think it's a revenge like this, but of course we know they won the league last season and the season before. It's more about us because the Premier League is not against City, it's against all the teams, so you have to be focused on ourselves, not only against City because there is a lot of games.
How strong is the desire to win the title this season? It's clear that the club is heading in the right direction and you came really close last season. Is it just a matter of patience now?
Winning this Premier League is not easy, but yeah, when you finish twice second, you want to win. So we will give everything, even more than last season, because of course we don't want to finish second or third or fourth. We want to win this league, and we'll give everything.
Mikel Arteta has played a crucial role in Arsenal's success over recent seasons. How would you describe him as a coach, and what have you learned from him over the past 2 years?
We are so happy to have him here. He helped us a lot to grow, especially a young player like me. I've learned a lot of things with him, and I become a better player since I'm working with him.
What is the secret to your strong partnership with Gabriel on the pitch? Do you two get along well in your private lives as well?
There is no secret because I'm good, he's good, and he speaks French, I speak French, and we play. Now it's our third season together, and we know each other so well, and it's a pleasure to play every game with him, and we grow as well together because he's young as well, so it's really good to have him on my side.
You are 23 years old now. Do you feel like you are where you want to be in your career, or do you still have goals and ambitions that you haven't achieved yet?
Yeah, I still have goals and ambition because I think I did nothing. I didn't win anything. Of course, I had some good season, but you need to win some trophies. This is what I want to do with Arsenal and with the national team. So yeah, there is a lot of things to do yet.
And last 2 questions. In your opinion, who is the best defender in the Premier League and why? And of course, you can't pick yourself.
Yeah, I would probably say me or Gabi Magalhaes. Yeah.
And as a defender, which team or player has been the toughest for you to play against?
There is a lot, I think. Yeah, Haaland, I think he's the toughest. Everyone knows because he's so dangerous, and it's not a secret. Everyone knows, so I think he's the toughest one.
Thank you very much, William, and best of luck.
Thank you.